Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. I hope you are fine. I am Engineer Rehanullah. My dear friends, today my topic is about bar bending schedule a beam. My dear friend, this topic is very important for you. If you want to learn this topic, please watch the video at the end, because this is the most commonly used in the field. Now let's start. For example, this is the long section of the beam. The span between two supports is 4 meter. The breadth of the column is 0.20 meter. And the space between two stirrups is 300 millimeter center to center. This is section A for this beam. The size of beam is 400 millimeter. This is the breadth of the beam, and depth of the beam is 500 millimeter. Dia of main bar is 12 millimeter. Dia of stirrups is 8 millimeter. Clear core for this beam is 40 millimeter, and this is two hook for this beam. Now let's start the solution. My dear friends, for bar bending schedule, you need to make this type of table: serial number, description, shapes, numbers, length in meter, total length in meter, and width in kg. First of all, I am calculate this bottom bar. The shape of the bar is just like this. This is the bottom bar shape. The number of bar is 4. The length of the bar in meter is 4.608. How to calculate this length? Look at this formula. Cut length of main bar. 4. This is the span between two support, 4 meter, plus 0.20 meter. This is the breadth of the column, plus 0.20 meter. This is also the breadth of column for this side, plus 2. This is for these two hook, 1 and 2, multiply by 12. What is 12? My dear friends, for finding the hook length, 12D formula is used for finding this hook length. This is formula value, multiply by 12 divided by 1000. This is the dia of steel bar. I am divide in 1000 to convert from millimeter to meter, because the value of bar or die of bar in millimeter. Mine is 2 times concrete core, one from this side and one from this side. Cut length of main bar is equal to 4.608 meter. This is the cut length for bottom bar. The total length of bottom bar is 18.432. You just need to multiply this cut length with this 4 number, which equal to 18.432. And the width of bottom bar is 16.22. How to calculate the width of bar? You just need to multiply this value with width of bar per meter. How to calculate the width of steel? My dear friends, if you don't know about this, in my previous lecture I am discussed about this. The link of this video is present in the description. The bottom bar width is equal to 16.22 kg. After that, I am find the top bars. The shape of the bar is just like this. This is the shape of the top bar. The number of bar is 2. These are the number of bar. The length of the bar or cut length of the bar is 4.608. Cut length of top bar and bottom bar have the same cut length, 4.608 meter. 4.608 meter. This is cut length for top bar. The total length of top bar is 9.216. You just need to multiply this value with this value. And the width of top bar is 8.110. After that, I am find the stirrups. The shape of the stirrup is just like this. This is the shape of the stirrup. The number of stirrups required 14. How to calculate number of stirrups? This formula is used for finding the number of stirrups. 4. This is the span between two support. Divide by 0.3. What is 0.3? This is the space between two stirrups. 300 millimeter. I am convert this value from millimeter to meter, which equal to 0.3 meter. The number of stirrups required 13.33. Say 14 numbers. The number of stirrups is 14 and the length of one stirrup is 1.64. How to calculate this length for stirrups? This is cut length. By this formula we calculate this length. Cut length of stirrups is equal to 320. What is this value? The breadth of the beam is 400 millimeter. I am subtract the clear core 40 millimeter from this side and 40 millimeter from this side. This is for this side plus 320 millimeter. This is from another side plus 420. The depth of the beam is 500 millimeter. I am subtract 40 millimeter from this side clear core and 40 millimeter from this side plus 2 because the number of hook is 2. Multiply by 10. This is the value of formula. Multiply by 8. This is the die of stirrups. Cut length of stirrups is equal to 1640 millimeter or 1.64 meter. Cut length of one stirrup is 1.64 meter. The total length of stirrups is equal to 22.96. You just need to multiply this value with number, which equal to total length of stirrups. And the width of stirrups is equal to 9.07 kg. That's enough for today. Inshallah, see you with another video. If you have any question and problem, please you comments me. And if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new updates. Bye bye.